friends. Has anyone ever told you how important water is for your body? It's true. Drinking enough water makes your body work at its best. And when you don't drink enough water, you probably won't feel well. Sometimes when I don't feel well, I think I haven't had very much water today. And I drink water and I feel so much better. So, some people don't like to drink water because they just think it's kind of boring. So I thought today I would show you a fun way to kind of drink water. And it's kind of, since it's getting close to Valentine's Day, it's kind of a Valentine-ish recipe. So let me show you. So we are gonna make a berry fizz. And it just requires a few things. One is carbonated water. So that is just water that has bubbles in it. Frozen berries. And then I have these fruit juice ice cubes. Let me show you how I made those. Right, to make fruity ice cubes, you just need two things. You need an ice cube tray. I have this one that has heart shapes. It's really cute. But you can also just use a regular ice cube tray. And you need fruit juice. So it's real easy. You're just gonna take your tray and fill it with juice. And then you are gonna put this in the freezer until the juice freezes. After the fruit juice freezes hard, you will have these tasty ice cubes to put in your drink. So to put the berry fizz together, I am going to pour some carbonated water into a cup. See, it's bubbly. And then I'm gonna add a few frozen berries. You can add as many as you like. And then I have my fruit juice cubes. See how pretty it is? And it's fizzy. That looks yummy to me. Our story today is I Love You Because You're You by Liza Baker, published by Scholastic. I love you when you're happy and grinning ear to ear. I love you when you're sleepy and want to snuggle near. I love you when you're silly and dancing round and round. I love you when you're frightened and hear a scary sound. I love you when you're bashful and hide behind my knee. I love you when you're brave and from my arms you flee. I love you when you're curious and searching here and there. I love you when you're proud, your head held in the air. I love you when you're sick and need to rest in bed. I love you when you're frisky and standing on your head. I love you when you're sad and need a kiss and hug. I love you when you're playful and rolling on the rug. I love you when you're angry and cross your arms and pout. I love you when you're wild and yell and scream and shout. I love you any way you feel, no matter what you do. I love you any way you are. I love you because you're you. The end. Oh, what a sweet story. I have another sweet story to recommend. It's called Love Waves by Rosemary Wells. And it's about loving the people that we're maybe separated from. And then my nonfiction selection today is called Drinking Water by Marcy Shue. And this tells all about when to drink water and how to drink water and why it's important to drink water. So I definitely recommend checking that out so you can learn all about why it really is important to drink plenty of water, especially when it's hot outside or you're playing and you're getting kind of sweaty. So that's all the time I have for today. I will see you next time.